Hey there, I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast, you're someone who makes big decisions and solves hard problems. And I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about why smart people have trouble following through resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $2.97 a month. Email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions you have and send you all the details. Today, I want to talk to you about why you can be a smart person and still not follow through. Most people don't need more information to achieve their goals. They need something else. Have you ever noticed that some of the smartest people struggle to follow through on their goals? It's interesting when you think about it. They know what to do. They know they should exercise. They know they should be setting boundaries. They know they should spend more time with their family. They know they should prioritize themselves. Yet, somehow, life keeps getting in the way. The reason isn't a lack of knowledge. Most accountants and high-stress professionals already have more information that they could ever use. The challenge is implementation. It's one thing to know what to do. It's another thing to do it consistently. I've found that many people wait for motivation to show up before they take action. The problem is that motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll feel motivated, many days you won't. That's why accountability can be so powerful. When someone knows that they'll be checking in with another person, they're much more likely to follow through on commitments that they've made to themselves. Not because they're being judged, but because they have support. They have encouragement. They have someone helping them stay focused on what matters most to them. One of the things that I love most about coaching is watching my clients accomplish things that they previously thought they didn't have time for. Not because they suddenly found more hours in a day, but because they became intentional. They started making decisions that aligned with their goals. They stopped waiting until they felt like it. And they started creating momentum. Inside the Reinvention Process private coaching program, you'll have someone in your corner helping you stay focused on the goals, priorities, and the life that you want to create. Because sometimes the difference between staying stuck and making progress is simply having someone walk alongside you. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute coaching sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you follow through on what matters most. And right now, your investment is $2.97 a month. If this sounds like something that you'd like support with, simply email me at info@financialadventure.com and let me know that you're ready to get started, and I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. I want you to think about one goal that you've been putting off for months or maybe even years. What might be possible if you had the support, accountability, and a plan to finally move it forward? If you'd like to explore that possibility and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.